Welcome to Clutter-Free Friday, where I go to other people's homes and help them declutter.
This week we are back with Sarah from episode 1 to work on her laundry room.
Having a husband that tries to help do laundry, he'll fold it and put it on the washing machine if that space is clear.
Sarah basically had two main goals. One was to clear off the top of the washer and dryer so that she could fold laundry there. But the second one was to better organize everything in the cabinets so that she had easier access to the things she used the most. And if you stick around to the end, I give an update showing how she's using the space even 3 weeks later.
I think just emptying both this and these so we can kind of start fresh.
It's almost very clean.
It's almost really clean.
Yeah.
The stuff that you know you want access to, we can start putting it here. Let's start with stuff that you know you don't use that often and go ahead and put
Probably like the extra.
okay, right. Are you good with me putting all of the Ziplocs together? Okay. Okay, well that's perfect. Do you know which one you like better?
No, I don't.
Or use more? Does that mean you've probably used this more recently?
Oh,
It's
yeah.
out?
Yeah, because it was in there.
Okay, gotcha.
So I haven't looked at it yet. I guess this is probably nice. Oh, this one's broken. There we go.
Okay. Probably this is the stuff that you use more regularly?
Yes.
And that's why it's kind of
That's
out
why
here.
it's, yeah, it's
So we could put
I mean, I
that
could
in
even do
here.
like this bottom shelf, but like anything up and anything like in the back of this shelf is really hard to get to because anytime I bump this, it turns off.
Oh. What is this box? Do you know?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay.
It looks like there's
So
costumes in it
we'll-
because my daughter loves to play dress up.
Let's see what else is in here. It's pretty lightweight, so maybe it is just costumes. Oh, and some cups.
Costumes and well, that's kind of a.
And yeah, then it's mostly empty, so
All right.
that'll save you some space. So let's start with putting these things here in the top and just see how that works. And you can, make some adjustments as you use it. Kind of like extra that can go higher up
Yeah.
or up there.
Actually, I have a bunch out in the garage also. See, I told you, I have like stuff shoved everywhere.
Do you prefer them in the garage?
We put them in the garage because that way they could all
Be
be
together like that. Okay.
And I do have other like little containers. I might be able to find one that's like a little shorter so I can like pull it off.
Okay. Oh, cute. Yeah,
My mom was like, why do you have so many things? And it's like, well, because right now I don't know what I'm going to use, so I haven't thrown anything away or donated anything.
I can do this, and that way you can go through some of the other stuff that I can't really do. Now this did have like a locking lid. You're okay with these being out?
Yeah. Stay up there. Oh, wait.
Nice. So this is all the stuff that you
that's
like
my
access to.
that's the laundry stuff that I did, like the stain removers because I have a child.
Yes. All right. What about the wipes? Because those are already open. I'm assuming you could
Yeah, this is what I've used to wipe down like the washing machine so they don't start smelling and things like that.
Okay. And then your extras are over here. They're just
Okay.
still in the packaging.
Yeah.
Do you use these to sort socks? and stuff?
Sometimes.
Maybe you could have one bin of the stuff that you use more from here. Like if that gets too annoying or too crowded, or you're just like, this is better, and then clothes don't fall off the back while you're folding. I don't know.
Yeah.
Since the box is destroyed, are you okay with getting rid of it, or
Yep.
do you need to? No, let's do that then, since you have another.
See that.
You look for these here with like the weights and stuff. Did you know that you had them?
Probably look for where like the dusters.
Am I good to put all of this stuff in the bottom here? I think this will just make it easier for you to adjust later if you need to. Alright, if you're okay with getting rid of this, I give you permission because you do have others. And plus, it seems like there's always more coming in.
Always.
Okay.
Always.
That's a cute bag.
That's the one I typically try to remember to put back in the car.
Full of only just mostly bags?
Yeah, this is all bags.
Wow. Okay, I have to show that. No, I mean I definitely am the same. I have my
Bags,
bags.
I went back to Sarah's 3 weeks later to help her organize her pantry, and she said that when her husband found out I was coming, he was super excited because she had shown him the laundry room because she had moved some of his stuff. He actually was really impressed, and she said that normally she'll show him stuff that she's been working on and doing, and he'll just be like, okay. Okay, so you have been using it to fold. Oh, wow, good. That's awesome.
Yeah, no, it's been great.
Okay, so the things you've needed, that they're in reach now?
Well, I'm doing laundry, obviously.
Sure.
I did change and put some of my cleaning towels up here.
Okay.
Just because as I'm folding them, it's convenient to stick them there.
Nice, okay.
And, it's easy to grab if I need something also. And then having the top clear has been really nice to, like, be able to just open up like I have laundry here, I can just open up and put it in.
Cool.
The one thing I did change is I brought my laundry basket, my empty laundry basket down.
Okay.
So once I fold up a load of laundry, I stick it in here and I can take it right up and
Okay,
put it away.
perfect. Yes.
And then we have our dirty hamper that stays there too.
Okay.
I am,
That's
one of the
amazing.
other changes I've been talking to my husband about is putting a shelf right here for
Oh.
his batteries and
Oh,
chargers.
sure.
So that I don't have the cords like hanging out.
Well, and true,
like
and
that.
you're like not really using that space. There's a
Yeah.
lot of space there. That was really fun doing this laundry room and seeing the difference that it made in their everyday life.